Hi everyone, it's Friday afternoon and I have gone into each one of your Google Classrooms and handed in things for you. So if you got notifications, it was me doing it, sorry. I want to show you a quick way that you can go and look at your assignments to see what you have missing. Now, Mia, I'm logged into your classroom right now, so I'm just going to use yours. So first of all, I'm just gonna pull up Mia's classroom up on the screen. Okay, so here is Mia's classroom. I'm going to go to classwork. Okay, and then this little button up at the top, view your work. So I'm gonna press on that. And now here's everything that you've ever been assigned. Okay. So that's a big list. So I'm just going to go over to the side box and click missing. And it'll just give me a list of what's missing. So you've got 3 phys ed, and I don't count that in my missing assignments. And then I see that there's something, Science May the 4th be with you. I think that's the switches. The shape poem isn't handed in yet, and the slides on the Cordillera region. So there's only 3 missing assignments. Now, if you were just to click on those ones, then you could view the details, and you can go and open it over here behind my head, and you can see what didn't I do, and then when you're done, hit turn in. Then it'll be off your list. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. So have yourself a great weekend. It's supposed to get a little bit chilly out today, so get outside as much as you can. But if not, have a lazy day and play on a computer. Okay, bye.